When comparing BigCommerce versus Oberlo and their integration with Shopify, it's essential to know what works and what doesn't. If you're looking to seamlessly sync your Shopify store with other platforms, both have their merits, but which one truly offers the better experience? First off, let's talk about BigCommerce. BigCommerce offers a robust set of features for e-commerce businesses, and when it comes to Shopify integration, it does provide strong capabilities. However, this integration isn't as smooth or automatic as you might expect. While it does sync well with Shopify, the process can sometimes be a bit cumbersome. Users have reported that the integration isn't as intuitive as it should be, especially for newcomers to e-commerce. Next thing to consider is Oberlo. Oberlo, which is owned by Shopify, integrates far more seamlessly with Shopify. In fact, it's one of the easiest platforms to use when adding products to your Shopify store. It's designed specifically to work with Shopify, meaning you don't have to worry about compatibility issues or anything technical. But here's the catch, Oberlo is mainly focused on dropshipping, so if that's not your business model, its functionality may not be as relevant to you. The fourth thing to consider is pricing. BigCommerce offers a range of pricing tiers, but when you scale your business, the costs can get pretty steep. While you get more features as you move up the tiers, the integration with Shopify isn't always as seamless as it should be, and the pricing may feel a bit overwhelming for smaller businesses. Oberlo, on the other hand, has a very low cost for basic dropshipping functionalities, which is great for newcomers to Shopify or those starting small. Now, let's talk about scalability. BigCommerce does have the edge here. If you're planning to grow a large online business with a variety of products, BigCommerce offers more scalability than Oberlo. Its features are built for businesses that want to scale quickly, and while integration with Shopify may not be flawless, BigCommerce allows for a lot of customization and growth potential. The sixth thing is customer support. Both platforms offer customer support, but BigCommerce is more comprehensive in this area. Whether you need help with integration or technical troubleshooting, BigCommerce has a dedicated support team available 24/7. Oberlo does provide support, but because it's mainly a Shopify app, support is limited to what Shopify offers, which may not be as quick or responsive when you're dealing with specific Oberlo issues. Both BigCommerce and Oberlo are solid platforms, but after testing them myself, I found that Oberlo offers the best Shopify integration if you're working primarily with Shopify and dropshipping. However, if you need more robust functionality and scalability, BigCommerce might be worth considering, though the integration process could feel a little more clunky. So, here's the deal. Both of these tools are useful depending on your needs. But if you want an easier, more intuitive Shopify integration for your e-commerce store, after trying both myself, I'd recommend taking advantage of the first link in the description to try a better alternative. Through that link, you'll get access to an exclusive free trial and benefits that are available only to our viewers.